Hello everyone. In this session we will discuss the pointers to the strings. Means your whatever you have the strings, so those we can perform into the our pointers. Normally these strings can be performs the combination of the characters, right? So directly we cannot define the strings in our C programmatic by using the data type, right? So that's what here we are using the strings in between the character data type. So by using that only here we can perform the our strings into the pointers. So if you are working the our pointers to the strings here, how it can be performed, so within the programmatic we will discuss here. So just you can see here I'm taking the one example program to define with the pointers to string. So first here I'm taking the hash include stdio.h, and next here I'm taking the main function and open the main function. Here I'm choosing the character with the pointer. See, normally if you're defining the string point here, you're taking the combination of the characters, that is we can call like here our word, right? So but in this here we are taking the with a pointer. Normally you can take the character is equals to the whatever you have the string pointer, but in this here we are defining with a pointer. You can observe clearly here we have the pointer. So here I am taking the just welcome. Here I am taking the welcome, and next here you can write the clear the screen. For pointer, here we have the pointer, right? For that here I am defining pointer. Okay, whatever you have the value in the pointer that you can define here, and you can add whatever you have the pointer that you need to be add into this. And next here printf. In the printf here you can define the our specifier like your percentile C. Why? Because here the character will be having the specifier like your percentile C, and you can define with the our pointer and write the get ch, close this. You can see here you will be having the pointer. We are performing with the pointer, so directly it will not display the our output. For that case here we need to be writing some statements, right? Here we wrote the pointer for topic. So here we are taking the pointer whatever you have. So after that here we can return the null value. So you need to be add the pointer whatever you have the pointer value that you need to be add. So and after that you can see that can be printed by the our character. What it will be prints the our pointer. Percentile C means your access specifier. So then you will be get the our output like your welcome. Okay, so not only normally we can use the strings, by using the pointers also we can perform the our string. That is the topic here. Thank you for the watching.